We have kids. That's all it is. You don't want to be that person that gets embarrassed for the reason that, oh, your kid's crying. You don't want to be bugging anyone else. I remember it happened to me a couple of times and I was so embarrassed. In the main classroom, my daughter, she started just fussing and I was just like, and I didn't know how to like calm her down. I wanted to get my work done. I knew I had to get my work done, but it's just like, and I didn't want to leave either. I had to like step out and wait till she was either asleep or just calm all the way down. And then I walk back in and you just feel like everyone's staring at you.
We realized that as the HOPE program grew, we couldn't have 10, 12 toddlers running around in the main classroom. It just wasn't safe, and the students were feeling kind of awkward having their children become a distraction to the other students.
It's like all this pressure on you because, you know, you're the one with the loud kid.
Yeah.
She's crying, she's being loud. In the whole classroom, you don't feel out of place.
We could be relieved because people won't judge us no more.
I know a lot of our students stayed in traditional school when they first found out they were pregnant, but as the months went by, they just started to feel a little more ashamed or judged and dropped out.
Even just enrolling into the school, they have that one question, do you have a child?
Do you have a child?
I was really debating. I was like, should I put her down or should I not? I didn't know about this whole program before until I had the orientation and they asked, do any of you here have any kids? And I was that one person, raised my hand, and they said, oh, I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Yeah, that's what they did to me too.
And then we met Miss Roth and she was just like, oh, hi. Like, just this bubbly person. I loved her.
Having a place where they have space to run and play and swings for them to be in and toys to play with, it just enables them to bring them, know their baby's safe, and have everybody focusing on doing their schoolwork.
It makes it easy for us to bring our kids. It's safe now because like we could do our work and they're still here and we could still see them.
A lot of time I don't want them to go home. You know, they walk out the door and I'm worried. I might not see them the next day, or if they're gonna have a place to sleep, or if their babies are gonna have a place to sleep.
This is obviously not your traditional school. So it's like before you used to look forward to going to see your friends, you know, and going to class together and stuff. And I feel like with this program and with all the other moms, it's like as soon as you make friends and you know your kids are gonna get along, it just like motivates you to come more often.
I'll have about 6 girls graduate this year, and I just can't wait. Seeing them walk across that stage and, you know, seeing their kids watch them walk across that stage. I always tell them, you gotta do it, you gotta walk. Your kids need to see you walk.
You're not alone in this.
Yeah.
It's like a team.
It's a family.
Yeah, it's a family.
Literally a family.
It's a family.